Alright guys, so I am late for class. My class started at 2 o'clock. It is 2:02. But luckily it's not that far away. It's probably like 2 miles away. Here in beautiful Brickell. By the crib. Heading down to class. I've got a cooking class, which is kind of fun. I mean, like, it's annoying, like, being in class for 7 hours. But I think that cooking class is going to make me just an overall better person. Like I don't know how to cook anything, you know. Like, look at this guy leaning. Does he see me? Oh, looks like he saw me at the very end, right? He saw me, right? Coming in right here, squeezing through a little bit. Get ahead of these guys. Yeah, you want to get to the front of the line. If not, some random idiot runs you over from behind while he's texting his friend. So, yeah. Get to the front of the line, guys. Okay, that's a long red. Intersection gang. Alright, we're good. Yeah, man, you want to filter as often as possible. Let's try to get around this lady. Yeah, buddy. Got around her. Okay, I don't know what in the world the directions are telling me to do, so I'm just gonna go my own way, because yeah, what it's saying is like some silliness. Hey, it's hot today. Then again, it's hot every day in Florida, so yeah, used to that. So I'm late for class. I'm not gonna lie, I was watching anime and hopped in the shower, and before I knew it, I was late for class. I always want to be on time for things, so it's kind of messed up, but it is what it is. A cool dog. Bro, what's going on with this light, man? I'm out of neutral, man. I was staying in first because I thought this light would turn faster, but I've been here for a minute. Like, what is going on right now? So, yeah. It's been sitting here for a while. Good thing that thing went green, man, because I was damn near about to just run that light. Alright, so on the way to class, on the way to class. Let's try to filter towards the front here. Yo, these guys have like no urgency at all when they ride. I can tell just by how slow and how badly they're riding. That's what you call slow maneuvers, right? All clutch work and rear brake. Make sure you guys practice that. It's easy to ride your bike in a straight line, but the skill comes at slow maneuvers. That's where you show your skill as a rider. Three seconds. I guess I was wrong. What's this guy doing? Yeah, let's filter here too. Uh-oh, police. I'm not gonna filter around that guy. Ooh. Looks like a little purple Corvette. That thing nice. He's got the purple hair also. Yeah, that thing's nice. When your hair matches your Corvette, man, that's Miami stuff right there, man. Damn, I can't filter around that police car, man. I'm kind of stuck just waiting to see what he does. So I'm probably going to be about 20 minutes late to class. It is what it is. It is what it is. Cool thing is you can start this thing in a second. It's all clutch work. At least you can on this low displacement bike. What a long day. Got a little Cybertruck right there. Little Cybertruck. I'm gonna make that a thumbnail. Why not? Hold on. I'm gonna park right here.
No, this here, no. You need to park on the
Why can I park there?